how you all doing? Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Martha Carrick and I'm a professional makeup artist when I'm not doing YouTube videos. So to start off my new year 2022, God, I still can't believe we're in 2022. It feels like we're still in 2020. So to start off the new year, I have decided I'm going to do my empties from the last 6 months just to finally get rid of them because they're doing me nothing, and just to show you guys and tell you what I liked, what I didn't like, and what I'll be repurchasing. But before I get into all that, kindly hit that subscribe button and that like or dislike, depending on your preference, because it all helps out. So let's go. So first of all, I want to do this little box here that I have in front of me. So the first two products I'm going to be talking about are my Licora. This is the Rejuvenate Day and Night Cream that I have got from Aldi. Now I loved these. They are $3.49 I believe each, or $3.99, something like that. Super cheap, super hydrating, especially if you've got dry skin at all like me. The only problem for me is that I have to actually go to my local Aldi, which is a bit of a trek for me, and I can't be bothered half the time because I literally have Lidl like right next door. So if I'm going to Aldi, I would need to be making sure I have more than just one thing to get. I'm a bit lazy like that. But I do love them and I will repurchase them when I need to go and buy some more Aldi stuff. I recently did, I put a link up here to a video that I recently did using my new Aldi makeup, because Aldi keep bringing out skincare which is dupes for other brands. So I kind of go through phases of when they're not doing their dupes and I need something, then I'll buy these. If not, I have my dupes. But at the minute, I've run out of these. They are really good. I would definitely recommend them for that price. They have a decent amount of hyaluronic acid in them as far as I can remember. I don't actually have the box of them anymore. They were good. I would definitely recommend them. For dry skin, yes, 100%. They're very good. And they're not too heavily fragranced either, so if that's an issue for some people, they're fine like that. The next set I want to try is the Licora Caviar. Apparently that's really good, but again, it's a little bit more pricey. It's $6.99, but that's not like pricey really in the world of skincare. It's still incredibly affordable. So that's them two done and dusted. Then I also went through my Calvin Klein Euphoria Blossom body wash, which I've had a while, so I finally got rid of that. Will I buy it again? Probably not. Now I used up my Neal's Yard Remedies Jasmine Enriched Cream. This says here that it deeply nourishes dry or neglected skin with a jojoba oil to help the skin retain, it doesn't even say oil, it's with jojoba to help the skin retain moisture, vitamin E, and protect and restore dry or neglected skin. Now I do like this, but I don't like the scent of it. It's too strong. Like, I don't think skincare needs to be that heavily fragranced. I found that the fragrance as well also kind of irritated my skin, especially around here. So yeah, that won't be one I'll be repurchasing just because the fragrance. And it didn't make my skin feel, what's the word I'm looking for? It didn't make my skin feel hydrated like I needed to and like I wanted it to. And it's also quite expensive. So yeah. I have had other products that were like the Aldi ones did a perfect job. It doesn't come with hyaluronic acid. It has a lot of glycerin in it, which obviously is the moisturising part. And it has got a lot of other oils. I just didn't find it worked for me. What else have I used up? My hyaluronic acid and B5 vitamin serum. Love this, and I have actually repurchased that because I love it so much. This was the Matrixyl 10% plus hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. The other one here was, I think it was 60 ml, sorry, and then this one was 30. So 60 ml and a 30 ml, both from The Ordinary. Love both of them, they're amazing. I also finished a nail polish, which never happens, which is the Misa Clear Lacquer. This is in the colour, or the name Bang. I totally recommend these. They are amazing nail polishes. Love them. But I finished it, so that's that one gone. I have also gone through this L'Oreal Revitalift filler with hyaluronic acid, plumping anti-aging eye cream. Now I love this eye cream just for the simplest reasons that it's got this metal thing on the top. Now I keep all my eye serums, most of my serums to be fair, I keep them in the fridge so they're nice and cold when I put them on my skin. But I found this one, because the metal gets super cold when you're putting it on, it just literally like cools down that area and helps to depuff. So I found that really, really handy. It is quite pricey. It's about 20 quid for this eye cream, But again, it will last, I think it lasts me 3 months, 2 or 3 months. So that's okay. And if you buy it in Boots and get it on offer, you're saving money. Some more eye creams I have here is the Boots Expert Skin Sensitive Hydrating Eye Cream. Now, I bought this because my skin was going through a bit of a change over the summer, and I needed something to really just help settle down the eczema, because I don't like putting the steroids on my eyes. It did nothing. It did absolutely nothing. It was the worst. The Revitalift filler was so much better. This one, it was about £2 or something. It was just super cheap and affordable, but it did absolutely nothing. It barely hydrated, like barely. I would not recommend it. Now, some makeup things out of this box that we are going to be finishing up is the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. I think this is in the shade Ivory or Porcelain. Oh no, it was Fair one. Still have the tag on it there. Really nice concealer. Would I repurchase it again? I don't think so, because I've had other ones that I just want to try and use up as well. Nothing wrong with it. Really good colour for me, especially when I have a little bit of tan on, or I'm a little bit darker. Really, really good at highlighting and brightening up that area. So yeah, I liked it. The Benefit, their Real Push Up Liner. Now, this isn't even used up. It's just that I actually can't figure out how to use it, to be honest. So this part of it here is really bendy. I don't know if you can see that, but it literally bends, all right? And then you have to twist it to get the product up, which you can kind of see. I have a little bit twisted there. You can kind of see it's up. But when you put it on your eye, it just seems to like clump away. So when I'm like doing my eyeliner, it doesn't actually just like draw on the eye as it would normally. It just seems to draw a little bit, and then we'll break off, and then you have to twist it up again, and then we'll draw a little bit more, and then it breaks off. And if it lands on your face, it's just a mess. So that's the reason I'm binning it, is because I just can't seem to figure out how to use it. I don't know if it's dried up. I got it in a sample set about a year ago. Oh God, to be fair, no, it's probably more than a year ago. Whenever I last travelled, whenever I was last allowed to travel, that was when I got it. So it is probably a while. I got the mini Benefit Hoola bronzer as well with that, and a mini Benefit their Real mascara, which I have repurchased the bigger version. I think I've used that up as well. That was my last declutter. Yeah, so I don't know how to use it. So if anybody knows how to use it, let me know before I actually bin all these. That'd be great. Or just tell me how to use the bloody thing, because I just can't seem to figure it out. Another thing I got was this Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. Now, I bought this, I think, in Wilko's. Yeah, Wilko's to Essence. It's a lovely concealer. Apparently, it was waterproof and tattoo coverage. I did not find it waterproof. I did not find that it covered tattoos. I did test it on my friend's tattoo just to be sure, because I don't have any. It didn't. It does not have that kind of level of coverage. But otherwise, it is a very full coverage concealer. It's just not full coverage enough to cover tattoos. And also this eyebrow pencil, which I think I got from Wet n Wild, that I have finally used up, and I was like, that's it, you're done now, because I can't use it anymore. It's just annoying me. It was like one of the worst eyebrow pencils I've ever tried in my life. It's just terrible. I can't remember what it's called, but it comes in a little stick. I think it was like Boldly Brunette or something to that effect. Anyhow, again, was not worth the money. Just don't go there. Now, another product I have used up is my Wella Professional Curl Craft Wax Mousse. This was amazing. I got this in my one of the salons that I go to. Very, very good mousse. Loved it. I also used up my Kerastase Resistance Serum. This is a dual treatment for fibre quality renewal care, extremely damaged lengths and ends. Now, because I used to straighten my hair back in the day, I used to use this just to kind of keep my ends together, but I also find that it's a really good hydrating serum as well, so I've constantly used, and I have actually repurchased it because it was really, really good. It's just an excellent serum, and it makes your hair feel really silky and soft. So yeah. Another makeup product that I'm getting rid of is this Jared Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray, and this one is in the scent Lemongrass. Now, I have tried to use this. I've used pretty much half of it, or just a little bit more than half, so I'm not doing too bad. But honestly, I can't handle the smell. Like, it's literally rank. It is the worst setting spray I've ever used. God bless them. I just can't use it. This stinks. Oh my God, it stinks so bad. I don't like, when I'm spraying setting sprays, I do not want them to smell that strong. Like, I thought lemongrass would be nice and fresh. It's like literally the worst. So that'd be a no from me. Now, another bit of makeup I used up was this Avon Ideal Shade Liquid Foundation in the shade Natural Beige. I'm not a fan of Avon. I used to work for them back in the day. If anybody wants to know about that journey, leave a comment in the comment box below and I'll tell you all. But I finally finished the foundation, so I think I have a few more left to use up. I'm just trying not to be wasteful. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Eye Cream. This is an amazing eye cream. Not as good as the other one. The other one I would use, we'll say, for as a nighttime one, and then this one I would use as a daytime one, just so that my eyes are not getting too used to the same product. Even though they are similar and they do work extremely well together. Yeah, I have to say I really do love the L'Oreal Revitalift products. I just find them really, really good, really, really hydrating. Some more skincare, and it's the Lacura Super Booster Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This was, I think, £3 or £4 out of Aldi. I think it was $3.99 or something like that. I bought this one because obviously I seen it and I was interested in it, and I'd ran out of my other ones and I was like, well, I'm here, it's there, I'll have you. Then I also used up the Ordinary Caffeine Solution 5% EGCG. I love this serum, especially for under the eyes in the mornings. Really wakes you up, especially if you're using a gua sha. It just, oh, just really, really good. Absolutely amazing product. Love it. And I have repurchased that one. I would repurchase this one if I could get my hands on it, but it's not online anymore and it's not in my local store. So, well, that's that. Now, 2 more skincare products. God, I've gone through a lot of skincare actually. I've probably gone through more skincare than I have makeup. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Day Cream and the Night Cream. Now, the boxes are in here, so like I have kept all these boxes just for, you know, doing these videos. Great products. I really do enjoy them. They have retinol in them. They have hyaluronic acid. The day cream has the Advanced Pro Retinol, and the night cream has the concentrated hyaluronic acid. I just use them because I find that like they really do hydrate my skin, and because I have eczema on my skin, I just like to keep it hydrated at all costs. Especially when I have a breakout, I try not to use the steroids, which I think I've actually run out of, to be fair. More skincare that I have used up is my Nivea Glow Cleansing Mousse with natural almond oil. I loved this. This was so good, so hydrating on the skin. It didn't have, it even says non-drying formula. It did not feel dry on my skin at all. It was actually really, really nice. And the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. You see that there? Loved both of these. Absolutely love them. I have had this bottle for a very, very long time. It says 200 uses. It probably did get about 200 uses. And it took me about 2 years maybe to use it up. So, yay. Is that everything? That is everything out of my 2 boxes. Oh, lordy. It's quite an amount of products, to be fair. And I'm very, very glad to have finally gotten to do this video to show you all the empties that I've used in the last 6 months. Both skincare, a little bit of makeup. It takes me a long time to use makeup for some reason. And now I can just all go and recycle them, and they're out of my way for a little while, and I can put away these boxes. So I'm so happy about that. If anybody's got any questions about anything, as always, leave in the comment box below and I will get back to you, as you know I do. And I love hearing from you all. I hope you all had a great New Year's and a great Christmas. And I shall talk to you really soon. Don't forget to check out my vlogs as well. I shall put up a link up here somewhere for them. Some people like vlogs, some people like makeup stuff. So I got a bit of everything going on. Anyhow guys, I'm going to love yous and leave yous, and I'll talk to you on my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!